Hey guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. I'm unboxing an oldie but a goodie, Stitch Fix. This is my October 2018 Stitch Fix. Last month I got a bunch of summer clothes, but I still kept them even though it was a fall box. I loved it. As always, a pre-stamped and address return envelope. As always, the style card with the note from my stylist. Let's see if I got my tried and true. Oh, I've got a new girl, Jamie. This is my second new person I've gotten. I've had the same girl for like 2 or 3 years. And the invoice for my clothes. Stitch Fix is for the entire family now. They have men's, women's, and kids boxes. Let's see what's in this women's box. I typically am a huge no on graphic tees. We've got a graphic tee here. I'm willing to try. I'm always willing to try. It is super, super soft. This is the Hip Annalise graphic knit tee. Of course, my style card gives a couple of style options. And it is $34. Ooh, love the color on this guy. Ooh, and it's not real thick. It's actually thinner, like you can stick your finger through it. So in Texas, this is the closest thing we get to a like full out sweater. This is the Westlake textured pullover, and it is $38. Okay, I'm impressed by this one. That's a good one. Here's another great color, and this thing is uber soft, y'all. Super, super soft. A cardigan. This is the Penton 2-pocket cardigan in burnt orange, and it is $44. Uber, uber soft. This is very, very soft too. This is our little theme. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is really cute. Look at this dress. It's so cute. Ah, I love it. This is the Lux Co Maxi Dress, and it's only $54. Okay, I can't wait to try this one on. And then an excellent jean by Warp and Weft, a skinny jean. What's it called? The Abigail skinny jean. There we go. Bottoms are just tapered. This pant is $78. So for all 5 items, $248. If I keep all 5 items, I get an additional 25% off, which will save me $62. I'm going to go through and try these all on. I do not need pants, and I have a ton of sweaters just like this, although I love those. I'm really hoping this works out. This will fill a hole in my wardrobe that both my hubby and I will be pleased with. I hope this works out because it's super cute. I just like it. And I feel like I need to expand this area of my life, so we will see. Stylist Jamie, thank you so very much. I'm excited to check this out. If you guys have any questions about Stitch Fix, want to read about my past experiences, go to my blog. I have dozens and dozens of unboxings on there from the past couple of years from working with them. I'm also open to answering any questions you guys may have. I would love for you to try Stitch Fix, and I have a few boxes to give away 100% free on your style fee. You will pay no shipping, no style fee. You will only pay if you want to keep the clothes. So if you want in on that, reach out to me, leave a comment, send me a message, etc., and I'll get you hooked up with that. Guys, I hope that you have a wonderful day, and honestly, thank you for watching my videos. I appreciate it more than words can express. We'll see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.